Today we are going to discuss about the box modeling. So here, when you are opening this Blender, and by default you can see this mesh is at cube. So here you can see this is mesh at, and you can scale down, scale up, and scale down by pressing S, scale up and scale down. So here I'm going to scale down. So hit S and just going to show how this box modeling works. So just for the graph, uh, press S. I'm just for N and on the screencast, so you can see what I'm pressing here. So just N, you can see this bottom of left here. You can see this is what I'm uh, pressing. So press S, you can scale down and scale up. So I'm going to show you some things here and go to the edit mode. This is face, and by default this is face, this is vertices, this is vertices, and this is edge. Okay, now if you press E and a blue line, this blue line indicating this is a Z axis. This is Z axis. So if you press Z, then extrude up, then extrude up, and if you want to see, this is the face selected, and hit one time. This is extrude. So if I want to select this face, then extrude and x-axis. This is x-axis. Then there are another thing, you can invert the extrude option. So hit X, then do nothing, S, and then you can see this is invert the extrude inside the extrude. So this is the thing, you can bevel from here, bevel. This is the bevel option, and control. See, you can press here, and this is the bevel option. By default, 8 should be selected. So this is the bevel option, and B, control B. We're pressing control B, and this is the bevel. And here you can modify this segment, and put more segment, and this, let's see, this model is going to round, this cap is going to round, and there is no corner. So if you select this kind of like this and bevel, and this is by default is selected like this here, and control B, control B. Here you can put some segment. First of all, select this, and okay, press like this. See, and now scroll. Yeah, that's the bevel option. Select this bevel option. See, now can control the submittable. You can play with this kind of thing. Okay, now width, maintain this width. Okay. This is the bevel option. You can play with this bevel. Okay. Now we are going to extend our tutorial. I'm going to understand the edge modeling. So here I can see this is go to edit mode, and this is edge. So I'm going to understand. Before of that, I'm going to delete this one and start from again. So I'm going to delete X and delete this one. So I'm just going to add a plane. So here you can see this plane, and for this you can see this is, if you hit just screencast to off, and screencast on should be on, and you can see this what's happening here. So 7, this is top orthographic view is open, and now here this is we are going to understand this age model. So go to edit mode, and this is actually age, and uh, like face extrude, we can extrude this age also. So hit E for extrude in y-axis, extrude, and then extrude one more, then extrude one more. Just want to understand what happened here. Then extrude one more, and now if you want to add this two section, this two edges, so how we can do this? So we can do this. Let's go to edge, and here is the option bridge edge loops. So if you hit here, that's actually bridges the loops. I'm just Control Z, pressing Z. You can select this, and I want to bridge this to edge, and press C. This happen. This is actually meaningless, like meaningless thing, but abstract object. But here we can understand how this age model, we can use this option in our future use. So if we just, I'm going to show you something. Just deleting all of this stuff it takes, just to delete all of this stuff. Just going to add a cube. Now just hitting S and Z. Okay, now from this it this, and going to look at here. So if you go to edit mode and Control R, here automatically loop cut, and so there's a middle section, and I'm going to drag like this, loop cut. So now Control E, this is also loop cut here. Control R, I need to loop cut. This is drag, do nothing, drag. Okay, now here Control R, cut here. Okay, now we get 4 faces, this kind of face. So I get faces, and hit sorry, and extrude like this. So we have get the 4 legs, something for sitting arrangement, Also, face, face, and extrude up. So here we have get nice thing. So shift, and here this is for the edge, this is for the add, this is for vertices, uh, this is for face. And if you want to bridge, insert on bridge, and if you uh, extrude individual faces, insert, and this is bridge, triangular faces, poke, insert faces, you can insert this faces, extrude faces, faces along normals, and you can do one thing, go to edge and selecting both of this edge and shift both of this edge, bridge edge loops. See what happened. This is automatically bridge the edge loops. If you want to cut from the area, you can actually select this, and you can select this face, and this is actually the space. Loop cut, this is loop cut, and this is also loop cut. Nice. You can bridge this loops also. So here a nice gap between this two things, and this is a nice section we have get, and on this you can put some the extrude and do nothing, and now scale and down this. This is nice design you can get like this. E and do nothing. Take scale, you get nice design for this chair. Okay. Mm, Sitting arrangement and E. Now do nothing. E extrude. You see this nice design of this chair. Nice sitting arrangement, and the armrest, or uh, if you want to make armrest, so this is loop cut, or you can do one thing, do select the face, and select this face, and face, go to face, extrude faces, or face along normal, face individual normal, insert faces. So you can insert the faces here, and then extrude in the directions. You can insert like this. There's a face actually inserted here. Okay, like this. So for this is we can understand how this works. This face, face extrude. Okay. Now go to the object mode, add mesh, and add cube, and grab this cube from here and scale down this cube. Scale down, grab this V, Actually, you can cut from here. So in another tutorial, you can exactly show how we can, and you can extrude this space, or do one thing, you can space should be selected, space, nice. And now this space and this space, or this edge, this edge and this edge. Shift, holding shift. This edge should be joint, or this face or this face should be joint. Face, extrude face like this, and design like this. So there are so many aspects you can design, and Shift D or Control D for duplicating, Shift D for duplicating, sorry, and you can easily see this is duplicated. Okay, now nice. This is the model of chair. Grab it to the Z axis. Z axis is, so this is nice armrest. And if you want to bevel this two edges, you can go to bevel, and now from here scroll button, or you can do some same thing, adding some segment here. Now it's nicely beveled. And if you want to delete this, yes, you can. X, delete. Now you D, and grab this, something like that. Okay, it was a nice chair. This is the, you can put some bottles or some important things in this chair hole. It's actually hide your important things in this chair, and it have also the design, also nice design. This design, you put the color also here. You put the color like red color, like here you can put yellow color. See this color and this color. Okay, this part is also in object mode, and you can add other color to this object. This is for the understanding purpose. I'm just showing you what we can do with this chair. And this is edge model tool. But we can research more with edge model tool, and play with this edge model tool. and explore more things, more possibilities. Now, if you want to delete this, all of this stuff, I'm going to delete this. Just in this lesson, we are going to understand the concept. So, if you add this queue here, we have this queue, and grab this here, and need another queue image, and go to queue here. So, grab it like this, and on top orthographic view, press 7. This is top orthographic view, and this is place this two thing like this side by side. I need to it's my suppose my client said this, we need to bridge this two faces. To select this two faces role, this is actually made in object mode. So is made in object mode. I'm going to delete this and just go to edit mode and Shift D. This is actually duplicate. This 7. You have this line. There. I have this two things, and now select this face. Select this face and holding Shift, selecting this face also. And now here go to this edge and here bridge loops. See this two faces actually join. Okay, it's two faces actually join. So we can understand much better. So go to this add edge plane. I'm going to add plane. Grab this here and rotate little bit this, and now need another understand this thing. Hit T, 50. This is another. Select this space, holding shift, this holding shift, and go to this edge and bridge edge loops. This is see actually we are bridge those two faces. Okay, so I think that's can understand like this. So do research, okay, and comment if you have any problem.